मैं डॉक्टर रेणु कक्कड़, डायरेक्टर औषधि, आप सभी का स्वागत करती हूँ। औषधि परमहंस प्रकाशवती मेहता इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ होलिस्टिक मेडिसिन एंड रिसर्च में आप सबका अभिनंदन है। इस इंस्टीट्यूट की स्थापना जून 1996 में हुई थी। उस समय हमने केवल एक्यूप्रेशर व रेकी से इस इंस्टीट्यूट की शुरुआत की थी। लोग जुड़ते गए, काफिला बढ़ता गया। आज हमारे इस इंस्टीट्यूट के साथ ऑल्टरनेटिव मेडिसिन के हर प्रकार के एक्सपर्ट्स अवेलेबल हैं, जैसे कि होम्योपैथी, जेम थेरेपी, रेकी, टैरो रीडिंग, वास्तु इत्यादि। आप सभी औषधि के साथ जुड़कर अपना जीवन आनंदमय व सुखमय बनाएं। धन्यवाद।
Namaskar. Tarot. Tarot is not a science like astrology. It is pure energy. Tarot is a very powerful tool which helps you to connect with your own divinity. A tarot spread is a cosmic plan. The most powerful information comes from within ourselves, and tarot helps us to get in touch with our own higher self. At times of distress, when we are very confused and there is a lot of chaos, there is a lot to decide and choose. It is at this time that tarot really helps us and guides us in life. Tarot helps us by providing insight into the events and situations. The knowledge of tarot opens the door of intuition so that we get a better understanding of our life, our emotions, and our situations. In tarot, we have two kinds of reading: open reading and question reading. Open reading is done in cases where there is a major change in our life, like marriage, or change of career, or change of job. Whereas question reading is done with a specific question kept in the mind. While doing question reading, the question should be very focused and very specific, and it should be put in a very positive way. For example, instead of asking, why is this event not happening, we should ask, what can I do to make the event happen? There are many tarot decks available in the market. You can choose from any of them. Most of them have a total number of 78 cards. The cards are divided into two parts: the major arcana and the minor arcana. The major arcana consists of a set of 22 cards, and these cards deal with the major events of our life, whereas the minor cards are divided into 4 suits of 14 cards each. These cards deal with the daily ups and downs of life. There are a number of kind of spreads which can be used by us, like a set of 3 cards or a 5 cards. In the beginning, we can use only the major 22 cards to find out the answers to our queries. For example, on a daily basis, if we have picked up a card for ourselves and the Fool card appears, this means this is an indicative of innocent energies, fresh energies, a new beginning. The Magician. If this card comes, don't read the card immediately. Connect with your card. See the pictures, the colors, and the number of the card. Connect with the card intuitively also. See what the story the card is trying to tell you. The Magician might be trying to tell you that you are very powerful. You are the magician. Use all your skills which you have to overcome your problems in life and to be successful in life. Appearance of the Emperor in a spread might tell you that don't worry. A very authoritative person is about to come into your life and help you. So every card has a story to tell. Just connect to the cards and find out what the card is trying to tell you, and see how your life becomes easy and simple. Death card. Death card indicates not only a loss of some kind, but it also tells us about a new beginning. So just connect to it. It is not only an indicative of a loss or a fear, but it also tells us that a new story, a new era is also beginning. The appearance of the Empress card is an indicative of good times to come. It is a time, the prosperous time to come, good times to come. For all the good deeds that you have done in your life, it is time to enjoy the fruits of all your deeds. Strength is a card of wisdom, your inner strength. It shows that physically being strong is not important. Important is being strong mentally, your willpower, your self-confidence, with which you can conquer anything and everything in life. The World is a card of fulfillment and completeness. It is an indication of reaching your goal. It indicates the completeness of one journey, ending of one era, and beginning of something new. If this card appears in a deck, it indicates that you yourself are not making efforts to come out of a situation. You yourself are imposing something on yourself. The sun is a symbol of life, warmth, energy, vitality. If the sun card comes in a reading, it indicates good times to come, happy times to come, when you will enjoy health, wealth and happiness, where you will have clarity of thoughts also. Judgment is a rebirth and an awakening card. It represents an end of one phase of life and its final examination of the worth of this life. In the beginning, you can start with the 22 major cards and use a 2-card spread. One card to answer your question and the second card is an advice card. For more information, you can log in to our website www.aushadhi.com or contact us directly on the given phone numbers. Thank you.